The MSI Vigor GK50 Elite is a mechanical gaming keyboard that has a brushed aircraft-grade aluminum frame to offer a solid gaming experience. It comes with either Kailh Box White, Kailh Blue or Kailh Red switches. These switches are rated to last over 50 million actuations for the blue and red, and even 80 million actuations for the box switches. Both the box white and blue switches have an audible and tactile click. The box white switches also have protection from dust and moisture thanks to the box around the stem. This also tends to give the box keys a more solid feel. Red switches offer smooth, linear actuations and are lighter to press. Show your colors with the per key MSI Mystic Light functionality. The indicated hotkeys let you cycle predefined LED effects or adjust brightness and speed without installing software. Using the MSI Dragon Center software offers more detailed control and additional customization. Included in the box are a wire keycap puller and 2 additional convex keycaps that make the keys more comfortable to press down during games. For more information about the Vigor GK50 Elite mechanical gaming keyboard, please check out the product page. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!